Okay, so last week I had a number of you have a problem where once you got your code in place, when you went to the playground and you would hit play, your code would go away, the site would crash, and you would have to start all over again. I don't want you to have to start all over again. So here's what you need to do. And you have to be in Safari on your iPad to do this. Now, if you're on a computer, I don't think we were having that issue on a computer, but if you were, you'll save it to your desktop. You need to, before you even open the playground, before you even test, you want to get your code here, and then up here in the upper right hand corner, and I don't know why it just dropped. Went to my friend Kahoot. There we go. You're going to go to the file in the upper left hand corner where you see this, and you're simply going to hit save to your device. And then you'll hit the download button on the message that comes up. Okay? Now, if for some reason you go to start it and it crashes and you get this screen where it all goes away, instead of having to rewrite the program, which is frustrating, I understand, you'll go back to file, then you'll select the second one down called load from your device. You're going to hit browse when this comes up. So you go to browse, and it should be the first top upper left hand corner. You click on that, and it puts it all back for you so that you don't have to at least go through that. So if worse comes to worse and we have crashes and it's not going, you can at least send me the code. That at least lets me know you gave the effort. All right? Have a great day. Bye-bye.